So as you can see, the top of my water bottle is beginning to take shape. It actually took a lot more pieces than I thought, at least to this point. This is only one cylinder at the bottom, but this connector part has two or three pieces. I might need a third piece. This round roof part here and a round roof hole. I had to extend it out a little bit, and apparently I need to extend it out a little more since the ring would not really be in the center uh, of the cap if it were to be connected to the connector. So that is a little bit of a trial and error piece here, but the cap's coming to shape. I'll see if I can put in a like screw top or something like that in the bottom in the hole, but we'll see what happens with that.